Welcome to English Podcast Academy, where we make learning English easy and fun. Hello, my lovely students. My name is Olivia, and today I have a question for you. Can you really improve your English in just 7 days? The answer is yes, if you listen every day, practice a little, and focus on the right things. Now you might be thinking, 7 days? That sounds impossible. But let me tell you a secret. Improvement doesn't always mean becoming perfect. It means moving forward, even just a little. Think about it like watering a plant. If you give it water every day, even just a small amount, it grows stronger and healthier. But if you forget it for a week, it starts to wilt. Your English skills are just like that plant. A little bit of daily care makes a big difference. You don't need to study for hours. Just listen to something simple in English. Repeat a few useful phrases, and try to use one new word in your day. For example, if today you learn the word delicious, try using it when talking about your food. Say, "This pizza is delicious," or "My coffee is delicious." When you use a word in real life, you remember it better. That's the power of practice. In this video, I will guide you step by step. First, I will give you short, clear examples to help you improve your listening. After that, I'll ask you a few questions to test your understanding. Don't worry, this is not an exam. It's just for fun and learning. So, are you ready to learn with me? Are you ready to take small steps that lead to big changes? Great. Let's begin this 7-day journey together. And today is day 1. Let's get started. Each day, you should listen to 5 to 10 minutes of clear English. That's all. But do it every day. You don't need long lessons or big textbooks. Just 5 minutes, like brushing your teeth or drinking a glass of water. It's simple, but when you do it every single day, your brain starts to notice patterns, remember words, and understand sentences without even trying too hard. Listen carefully. That means don't just hear the words. Try to feel them, notice the sounds, and imagine the meaning. Repeat sentences after you hear them. This is called shadowing. It helps your mouth get used to English sounds. And most important, think in English. Don't translate everything in your head. If I say, "The sun is shining," imagine the sun. See it. Feel it. Don't stop to find the translation in your language. Let's practice together now. I will tell you a short story, and you will listen and try to understand. Don't worry if you don't catch every word. Just relax and listen with your heart, not only with your ears. Are you ready? Okay, sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and focus. This is your moment to learn something new, to grow, and to feel proud of yourself. Let's begin. This is Sarah. Sarah is a nurse. She works in a hospital in a big city. Every day, she helps people who are sick or hurt. She gives them medicine, checks their temperature, and talks to them kindly. Her job is not easy, but she loves helping others. She smiles a lot because she wants her patients to feel better. Sarah starts work at 8 a.m. She wakes up at 6:30, takes a quick shower, and gets dressed in her nurse uniform. Every morning, she drinks a hot cup of tea and eats a banana. Sometimes, if she is not in a hurry, she also eats a piece of toast. Then she takes the bus to the hospital. At work, Sarah is very busy. She walks from room to room, talking to many patients. Some are old, some are young, and some don't speak much English. But Sarah is patient and kind. At 12 p.m., she eats lunch with her co-workers in the hospital cafeteria. Sarah finishes work at 4 p.m. When she gets home, she takes off her shoes, washes her hands, and starts making dinner. She likes cooking simple meals like rice and vegetables or pasta with tomato sauce. After dinner, she sits on the sofa and relaxes. In the evening, Sarah watches a TV show in English. She watches with English subtitles to help her understand. This is how she learns new words and improves her listening skills. Before bed, she reads a few pages of a book, then goes to sleep around 10 p.m. Sarah is tired, but she is happy. She learns a little English every day, and she knows that small steps can lead to big changes. Now, here are your questions. Listen carefully and try to answer in your head. Don't worry if you're not sure. Just try your best. This is how we learn. Question 1. What is Sarah's job? Think about it. She works in a hospital. She helps people who are sick. Yes, that's right. Sarah is a nurse. Question 2. What time does she start work? Let's remember. She wakes up at 6:30, gets ready, and then goes to work. So what time does her job begin? That's right. 8 a.m. Question 3. What does she eat in the morning? Do you remember? She drinks something warm and eats something healthy. That's right. She drinks tea and eats a banana. Try to answer in your head, and if you want, say the answers out loud. Speaking helps you remember better. Even if you're alone, repeat the words. Talk to yourself in English. It's not strange, it's smart. You're doing great, my lovely students. Every time you listen and answer like this, your brain gets stronger. Keep going, and you'll be amazed at how much English you can understand and speak very soon. This is Alex. Alex is 25 years old. He lives in a small apartment in the city. His apartment has one bedroom, a little kitchen, and a cozy living room. It's not big, but it's perfect for him. He keeps it clean and likes decorating it with plants and pictures. Alex loves cooking. It's his favorite hobby. After work, he often goes to the kitchen, puts on some music, and starts preparing dinner. He likes trying new recipes, especially from different countries. Sometimes he cooks pasta with garlic and cheese. Other times he makes spicy soup or fresh salad with tomatoes and cucumbers. On Saturdays, Alex wakes up early and goes to the market near his home. He walks through the colorful stalls, looking at fresh vegetables and fruit. He usually buys carrots, onions, apples, bananas, and sometimes something new he's never tried before. He likes talking to the people at the market, asking questions, and learning the names of food in English. While he cooks, Alex listens to English music. He says it helps him relax and also improves his English. He tries to sing along, even if he doesn't know all the words. His favorite song is Imagine by John Lennon. He likes the slow, clear voice and the beautiful message. Alex has a big dream. One day he wants to travel to Canada. He wants to see the snow, visit beautiful lakes, and speak English with people there. He's learning English step by step, and every day he gets a little better. He knows that one day he will be ready. Now it's time to check your understanding. Your questions are here. Listen carefully and try to answer in your head. If you can answer, that's great. Your listening is already improving. Every time you understand a little more, you move one step closer to your English goals. Question 1. How old is Alex? Let's think. At the beginning of the story, I said, Alex is 25 years old. So, what's the answer? Yes, Alex is 25. If you remembered that, well done. Question 2. Where does he live? Do you remember? It's not a big house. It's small, and it's in the city. Yes. He lives in a small apartment in the city. Perfect. Question 3. What does he do on Saturdays? This one has more detail. On Saturdays, he wakes up early and goes to a special place. He buys something. What is it? That's right. He goes to the market and buys vegetables and fruit. He enjoys it and talks to people there. If you remembered this, excellent job. If you didn't get all the answers, don't worry. You're learning. Just listening and thinking in English is already helping your brain grow stronger in the language. The more you listen, the more you understand. And guess what? You're doing it right now. Be proud of yourself. So here is your 7-day plan. This plan is simple, clear, and powerful. If you follow it, you will see real progress. Are you ready? Let's go step by step. Day 1. Listen to one short story. Just listen. No pressure. Find a quiet place, put on your headphones, and enjoy the story. You don't need to understand every word. The goal is to train your ears and start feeling comfortable with English sounds. Think of it like watching a movie in another language for the first time. Relax and enjoy the experience. Day 2. Listen to the same story again, but this time, repeat the sentences out loud. This is the shadowing method. When I say something, you say it too, just like an echo. Try to match the rhythm, tone, and pronunciation. It's okay if it's not perfect. This is how you train your mouth to speak English naturally, just like a native speaker. Day 3. Now, focus on vocabulary. Write down 5 new words you hear in the story. For example, if you hear the word apartment, write it. Next to it, write a simple meaning, or even draw a small picture. The goal is not just to learn words, but to remember them. When you write, you think more deeply. Day 4. Listen to a new story. This one will have new words, new situations, and new questions. After you listen, try to answer some simple questions. What's the name of the person? Where do they live? What do they do? Answer in your head or say your answers out loud. This builds your listening comprehension and your speaking confidence. Day 5. Now it's your turn to speak. Try to talk about your own day in English. You can say simple sentences like, I woke up at 7. I ate breakfast. I went to school. Or, I watched a movie. You don't need to speak fast. Just speak. Talk to yourself, record your voice, or tell your story to a friend. The goal is to use English actively. Day 6. Review everything. Go back to your notes. Look at the words you learned. Listen to the stories again. Repeat a few sentences. This is your day to remember and feel confident. Review helps your brain keep the knowledge. Without review, it's easy to forget. But when you review, you grow stronger. Day 7. Listen to this video again, from the very beginning. Listen to the stories, the questions, and the plan. Notice how much more you understand now. Maybe on day 1 you understood 50% and now it's 80% or more. That's real progress. Feel proud of yourself. You didn't just watch. You learned, you practiced, and you improved. If you do this for just 7 days, you will feel stronger, faster, and more confident in English. You will notice that your ears understand more, your mouth moves more easily, and your mind starts thinking in English. And the best part? You'll start to enjoy the process, because English is not just something you learn, it's something you live. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. Nobody starts perfectly. Even native speakers make mistakes. What really matters is that you listen, repeat, and stay with it. Just keep going, step by step. That's how real progress happens. You are doing better than you think. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like to let us know. It helps us reach more students like you. And if you're ready for this journey, write 7 days of English in the comments so we can cheer you on. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new lesson. Also, make sure to check out our playlists. We've organized everything for your 7-day learning plan, so it's easy to follow. You don't have to think about what to do next. We've done it for you. Keep going. You've already taken the first step, and that's the most important part. I'm so proud of you, and I can't wait to see you again. You've got this. Bye for now, and see you very soon.